Here's a short video overview of the Porsche 911 we talked about in our previous video, just to show what it looks like on ground. So it's presently at Mr. TJ's place. So we went over to look at what he has been doing, putting the engine in the chassis. So we'll be helping with the wiring side of things and conversion of the carburetors to EFI, and then later on when the engine wiring, tuning and things like that. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here is the 911 in person. So I'll come back to the engine. Just look at the body panels. It has no dents on any of the panels. Very clean, rust free on most of it. Only the floor panels have some rust due to the flooding that happened to it, and it has been repaired. So let me give it a shot of the front. There is a shot of the front of it. Looking good, looking good. Have that classic 911 shape. Here is the other side of it. You can see the classic 911 rims on it. Looking good here too. The dashboard is in pretty good condition too. Pretty good condition. So here is what has been happening so far. So what happened to this car is that it was flooded several years ago, and it couldn't be cleaned for a while, so water was sitting in it. So there was water in the engine, water in the transmission for an extended period of time. So the interior of those components rusted out, so they couldn't be used anymore. And we are located here in Nigeria, so getting 911 parts is, how will I put it, there's a non-existent market for such things. It's a yellow car here. And because of that, it sat for a longer time still, looking for how to get it back on the road. So what is happening right now is that we've got a drivetrain from a transporter, so flat 4 with the accompanying transmission, and it's sitting pretty well in this chassis, as you can see. Sitting well. Is the carbureted version. We'll do something about that later on. We'll make it EFI. And since we already have a transmission, it opens up a lot of opportunity for engine swaps. So this may not actually be the final engine that powers this car, but for now we'll get it moving with this one. At least get it driving, breathe new life into it. So this is what we do at modernized classics. We take classics, we put them back on the road, make them better than they would have been, instead of letting them rust away. So a good example would be this 911. Very, very soon it will be on the road, and I'm sure you see it in music videos and other things by the time we are done with this. So thank you very much.